Hello, happy hearts. Where do you think I am? I'm in our classroom today. I'm helping out Mrs. Begul with some projects this week. So I decided that I should film our next video here in our class. So if we were in school this week, our theme would be weather and seasons. So I'm wondering if you can tell me what season it is right now. It may not feel like it outside, but it's spring. Spring is my favorite season. I love to see the new flowers growing, and I love the warm sunshine. So I'm hoping in the next few days we'll feel that warm sunshine again. So to start today, I wanted to read you a short book called Raindrops and Rainbows. And we won't read the whole thing today, but I wanted to read a couple things and then do a fun project with you. What makes it rain? Down comes the rain, pouring from the sky. The raindrops patter, splish and splatter. Puddles grow and streams fill up. You wonder where all the water comes from. How does it get up into the sky? Why don't you see it go up there? How does it fall down? Whenever water is warmed by the sun, bits of it form an invisible gas. Invisible means we can't see it, but it floats up and up and up and up. And then when it gets really cold, it forms clouds. Sometimes tall, puffy clouds become rain clouds. A shower starts and big drops fall. Have you ever looked at the window and seen big raindrops when it's raining on your window? They splatter and splash, but not for very long. The shower usually ends pretty quickly. Small raindrops come from gray clouds that spread evenly across the sky. This kind of cloud is not very tall, but it often goes for miles and miles in this direction. And the rain may last for days. Who likes thunderstorms? I love thunderstorms. I think they're one of my favorite things. Thunder can sometimes sound a little scary, but I think it shows the power of God. Isn't that wonderful? Sometimes on a hot, sticky day, a puffy cloud gets puffier and taller. When it reaches very cold air, the top of the cloud flattens out. Now it is so high, it's thousands of feet tall. The cloud gets wider and darker, then flash, lightning, crash, thunder, rain pours down, splashing the ground. Okay, so I want to do a fun experiment with you today. And if you would like to do this experiment at home, parents, I have put the link in the email that I sent you to do this experiment, or you can just follow along with me because it's really easy and you probably have all of these things at home. So we are going to make a rain cloud today. So you want to get a clear glass and fill it a little more than halfway with water, like this. And then you probably have food coloring at your house if you dyed Easter eggs this week. And so then I filled a couple cups with different colors. So I have some yellow and blue and green and some red. And then I have some shaving cream. This is what we're going to make our cloud with. So if your dad shaves his face, you might have some shaving cream. And then I have these little dropper things. You might not have these at your house, but you can always just pour the food coloring water into your glass jar, but really carefully, so you might need a grown-up's help. Do you remember what we need when we're doing science experiments? We need a lab coat. So if you have an old t-shirt or maybe one of mom or dad's old shirts that you can put on so you don't get food coloring on your clothes, that might be a good idea because when we're scientists, we need our lab coats. Okay, so So the first thing I'm going to do is shake, 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 shake. Shake the shaving cream a whole bunch. And I'm going to put a whole bunch into my water. Look at that puffy white cloud. Look at that. And then I'm going to take my little dropper and fill it up with some of the colored water. And I'm going to drop it onto the cloud. This step might take just a little bit, so this is a good time to be patient. And you can even sing your meteorologist song while you're waiting. Hey, hey, meteorologist, why don't you tell us what the weather is? Hey, hey, meteorologist, why don't you tell us what the weather is? And I'm changing colors now. I got green. And then you can start to see it coming through the clouds, just like rain. So the cold air is at the top, and as it falls, it forms rain. It's not falling yet, but it's getting there. I'm gonna put some red in there now. We're still practicing our patience because we can't see it coming through just yet. I see it at the bottom of the water. Wow, the more color we get, the more it's gonna come through. Parents, if you want to do this experiment at home, I would love to see pictures or videos. So you can either text them to me or email them to me, or you can post them on our school Facebook page, Knee High Preschool, or on our Instagram page at Knee High Preschool. Look at all those colors. And the more color you put, the more they're gonna fall. They should start to fall pretty soon because I have a lot of colors in there. Isn't that cool? And then the water will start getting colorful. You can make your own cloud at home. Boys and girls, I can't wait to see you soon. Parents, keep an eye on your email. You have a special announcement coming from Mrs. Bagul very soon. So I love you all. Happy Hearts. Let me pray for you today. Dear Jesus, thank you for my Happy Heart class. I love them so much, and I pray that they would just know you more and love their families more as they're at home. We love you, Jesus. Thank you for the changing seasons. Thank you for spring and for rain. Amen. Bye, Happy Hearts. I'll see you soon.